Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Dr. Peter Rogers. As I hope you know, I'm an Associate Professor of Strategy here at the University of Leicester's School of Business, and I'm also your Director of the MBA programme. So a big hello from me, and I hope the course is going well.
Hello, my name is Dr. Jane Keenan, and welcome to Module MN 7703, Managing Finances and Strategic Decision Making. Welcome to our first lecture, which is entitled Economic Approaches to Decision Making.
Just to give you a couple of examples here. This is Lego, and Lego is a really interesting organization for using social media to tap into communities of users. And this is a really important way they've used in the last, 10 years to help them connect to their user base, but also to surface ideas that have been developing in user communities. And so they use social media and their web page to allow user communities to communicate, but also with each other, but also with the organization. As you approach the end of the stage model, what you see is some feedback loops. So product development leads to market testing. What you might find is that there is feedback from customers that leads back to stage 6 from stage 7.
So we can see here that we've got our price 1, which is lower than the equilibrium price, which is PE, because we can see here that where the supply and demand curves intersect gives us our equilibrium price and our equilibrium quantity. But at the moment, for some reason, for some instant in the market,